Hello and welcome to another update video about gold. Now you see what we have been waiting for, right? And why we had to be patient. Because as I said before, gold rallies are typically rapid. They are fast, they catch people off guard. And the corrections are extremely long and boring. And now we've seen this rapid increase. Shouldn't be any surprise that this is a rapid rally because the market is bullish. 2024 was supposed to be a bullish year for gold and the metals, as I mentioned many times before. And there's no reason here to be bearish. We have held support. We see impulsive price action to the upside. And what I'd like to do now, I'd like to share with you my perspective here on the chart. Let's just update the microstructure. This is basically as I labeled it last time. Obviously, these microstructures, they have to be adjusted frequently. Let's see if anything needs to be adjusted and what we're dealing with here. Yeah. The only thing I would adjust at the moment here in this unfolding impulse to the upside is just to say that this fifth wave sits here. Obviously, we did not confirm a top in place in the last video. So if the price extends a bit further, we have to shift those labels, and that helps us to update the relevant support level, because I think we should see another 4-5 pattern. I think I mentioned it in the last video that we didn't have this main wave 4 yet, and I still think we haven't got the wave 4, but the market has now reached the 2.382 extension. The next level is the 2.618 extension, very strongly extended. 2,173 and 2,187 dollars are the next levels to watch to the upside. But at no point the price should break below $2,101. That would really challenge the idea that this is an unfolding impulse to the upside, but it's looking good. It's looking good. And the idea would be, okay, wave 4 happens next. Could happen from here. I mean, this wave count is now technically full, finally. So we've got this wave 1, the wave 2. This could be a wave 3. It's, again, technically full. Can always get a few more squiggles higher, then we just have to adjust the support area. As long as support is holding, the focus can be on higher prices, okay? Doesn't mean we have to touch support. It is ideal, yeah? But at the moment, until we have a start of wave 4, I cannot confirm to you that, we've topped here locally. So it could still extend a little higher, and I have to adjust the support area for wave 4. But overall, no change, not even a change to wave count, okay? And as I mentioned before, the larger degree third wave within which we are likely moving here, wave C of 3, should reach the $2,400 region. Now, what happens here now? First of all, let me change the color because we have obviously, we're tracking this here in white. Now, the idea is, okay, what happens after wave 5? And wave 5, I can't give you a target for this fifth wave there because the third hasn't topped yet, hasn't clearly topped yet. Once the third wave tops, I can give you a target for wave 5. What we can do, though, in addition to our structure, is to say, okay, how would wave C most likely unfold? And I'd like it unfold like that. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, 4, 5. Fits quite well into the picture here. Let me adjust the wave degrees, and I can give you a clearer target for these waves 3, 4, and 5 once we have the first initial 1-2 setup complete here. Waves 1 and waves 2 of wave C of 3. And again, I can only really calculate a target for wave 2 once the wave 1 is complete. So we take it level by level, we take it step by step, and we move from basically upside targets to support, and from support into the next target range. And so we are going to move higher. At the moment, there is a micro support here. As I said, between 2,139 and 2,102. And there is an ideal target for a fourth wave at 2,118. That's the 38.2 retracement level. That's typically the main level for a fourth wave to get to and then to find support. But as I said, there is no evidence that this fourth wave has started yet. But if you see a pullback, in the next few sessions or so, then this is the support area that you can use, but it would have to move if the price goes a little higher. Okay, but it would just move up. So this here, these levels basically are there and continue to be relevant, okay? So only when we have 5 waves up complete, then we have to expect the price to get below this 50% fib level. But we take it level by level. At the moment, the count is unchanged. Upside level is pretty much unchanged. But what we have added here in this video is the overall structure of wave C of 3. And but also there is basically no change. It's just now showing us how 5 waves would look like. Yeah, not much more to add. I think it's important that you understand what is the support region. What are the next upside targets to watch? Where are we in the wave count? What could be the next opportunity, which would be the wave 2 pullback, right? If we get 5 waves up, then a corrective pullback can always be an opportunity. That's my update about gold. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in daily updates about the S&P 500 as well as regular updates about stocks, check out our stocks and S&P 500 service. You'll find the link in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.